my course theme for this class is Women in the Workforce During World War II. Now, before the war, women didn't have jobs that were just mainly in the home, and then the men had their jobs outside of the home. It was more women had just traditional female roles, such as typing, sewing, and being a school teacher. Now, when the war started, all the men had to enlist in the war, and they obviously were all sent to other countries to fight, and this left many available positions, and this is where Rosie the Riveter comes in. Rosie the Riveter was a government campaign tactic to recruit women for jobs outside of their normal realms of their traditional female roles and jobs. And when these positions were available, it was a big jump for women. It was a big jump, a big leap, which was very good for them because they got to explore more options and kind of see what they could do themselves. And some of these roles were being service pilots, being nurses and taking care of the wounded, and also being factory workers.